And the water monitor caught a fish. Everybody wants to have a piece of it. Yeah, I'm not gonna disturb these guys with their breakfast. Good morning. I'm at the Lumpini Park, which is probably the most famous and main park in Bangkok. You can easily get here by public transport to take the BTS to Saladeng station, or you can go to the Silom MRT station. It's early morning. It's about 7:30 and the city is coming alive. People are doing their early morning jogging or their Tai Chi. Yeah, here in front you have the Silom and Sathorn area, which is part of the Bangkok business district. From 10 o'clock you're allowed to bicycle here, but in the morning it's only walking. We have a beautiful sunrise here. Yeah, this is a very relaxing park, and it is a, how you call it, like a breath of fresh air in the metropolis that Bangkok is. You see, there's always a lot of people here that are doing exercise, doing their morning walk, stretching. You know, in this park you have a lot of water monitor lizards. It's like a signature animal. So let's see if we can find one. Oh. Let's see if we can find one. There is one. They are kind of, yeah, what is it? Almost like, it's not an iguana, but it's a mix of a alligator. It has a snake skin. It looks like it. Is it a wild cat? No. Yeah, it's just nice to see how the city comes alive here. You know, you have a lot of clubs here, which is like people that are running in a group, and one of my faithful followers is Kun Rangsan, and he has a group of bicyclists, so they bicycle every day in the park here. So here in front you have the Lang Suan and Rajdamri area. Many apartments, condos, hotels on walking distance of this park. It's quite an expensive area, and one of the reasons is probably this park, because the people that live there, they can always use these facilities here. Yeah, and everywhere you see these groups of people that are doing their morning exercises. The crows. See, the cat has a relaxing life here. As long as no YouTubers are bothering him, her. What a life. Yeah, so you guys are always used to this kind of hectic videos that I make in shopping malls and bicycling around. So I just wanted to show you a bit of the quiet life in Bangkok as well. Doing yoga like this is a great way to start the day. Yeah, in this video I'm just walking maybe a quarter of the park. There's a whole part that I just skipped. I just wanted to make a small video. I was on my way. I did an early morning bicycle ride. I woke up early. I was feeling that I needed to do something. So a good time to do some exercise and make a nice video for you guys. Let's see what this guy is feeding here. The crows want a piece of it. So there's a big monitor lizard across the pond here. Let me zoom in on it. That's a big one. Beautiful animal, huh? So, David Attenborough in Bangkok. Yeah, you deserve some attention as well. Yeah, I love this park. This is probably one of the first things that many people do that come to Bangkok to visit this park, because it's easy access with the public transport. And I would recommend come here in the early morning. It's fresh, nice scenery, relaxing. Special if there's not a guy with a camera talking the whole time. See, there's another water monitor in the water. Yeah, so when you come here, you will definitely see a couple of these animals. You know, I always get questions from people that are asking which animals or which birds are making what kind of noise. Well, that was one of them. You know, in Holland, I think we call them a merel or a sparrow, but this is like, in my feeling, the sparrow of Asia. Another lizard coming in here. The water monitor caught a fish. Everybody wants to have a piece of it. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna disturb these guys with their breakfast. Okay. So in case you were wondering, what does the water monitor eat? Fish. And this one obviously... Oh, that's actually quite funny. I've never seen that before. And it's interesting to see all these crows around it. It's always interesting to see how the ecosystem works, right? So the water monitor catches the fish, probably eats half of it, and then all the crows are having fish for lunch as well. Okay, so I'm almost full half circle, which means I am getting to the point where I started my video. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Lumpini Park. I had a nice, relaxing walk. Funny to see the water monitor lizard that caught a fish. That was my highlight of the day already. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. You can press the like button, leave me a comment. I always enjoy that, and even though I'm not always replying to every comment, I will always give you a thumbs up and a heart, which comes from my heart. And see you guys in my next video.